In this video, let's see how to split an existing table in ERE4U fastest billing software. Click on the split icon on the top right corner of the table you want to split. In our case, we are splitting table number 32. In table view, split table number 32 by clicking on split icon and select it. After clicking on the split icon, you can see that a new table named T32-2 has been created near the main table number 32. Select table T32-2 in the table view. Click on veg pasta in the menu to add it to the order. In the pop-up, select the full size option for veg pasta. Click on extra cheese to add it to your veg pasta order. Click the save button in the pop-up to add the item with the specified variation and add-ons. Select the rolls category from the left-hand navigation bar. Click on the regular cheese burst item to add it to the order. Enter the customer's name in the Enter Name field in the Add Customer module. Select the customer from the Add Customer module. Click the Save button in the Add Customer module to update the customer information. Click on Save button below to add code to split table. You can see the new split table in the table view. The color of table number 32-2 turns purple, which indicates that the table is running. You can also add more items to the table if needed. Click on the view icon to print the bill for table T32-2. To save the bill, click on the Save button in the bottom right corner. Now click on the tender icon on table number 32-2 to complete the tender. Click on the Save button to proceed with the payment. You can see that after completing the tender, split table number 32-2 is not visible. There is also a delete button to remove accidentally created split tables. Once you click on delete icon on split table, for example in our case table number 33-2, the split table has been deleted. Please note that the delete icon will only appear on the split table.